Our today's topic is on forces boys and girls. Here we can see that uh, there has a boy, multiple type of boys and multiple type of girls in this section, and it may contain with a string value, and it said that uh, when it will be count the number of odd number, then it will find the chat with him. It will find a male, and then it will must be ignored. And if it will contain with a even number, then it must be a chat with him. So there has will be a input string input, and this input based on this input, we must show the output of this. The output contain that he or he will be chat or not, or ignore him. If there is a even number or of character, then they will be chat with him. Or if even number can be counted with that must contain with a unique value, repetitive value must be ignored. As we can see that there has a multiple type of m, and m must be ignored. And then we for this 7 character, for ignore 1m, then we find under the 6 characters, so chat with him. And on this section we can see that there are multiple type of o and multiple type of a. Then if we ignore the repetitive value, then we can find the odd number 5, and then it must contain that they show the message as ignore him. Now we'll do do our task on there. Now we do our task on the using the C plus plus. In this section, we will contain with the STL library. So therefore, input the so, as we use the STL library, so we must include the library function of set. As there has the input of a string, so we must declare the variable of a string and then input this variable. After the afterwards, we will use the set STL library function. The STL library function, we use the set keyword, and then set will must be as they will count the character. So set must be characters. Now we will declare the variables. Then variable names may be the letters, and then we find the string beginning value and strings end value. The beginning value, here we can see that the beginning value is the w, and the end value is the after the end value must be a afterwards of r. So how the set how actually this set library function used can be used. This set library function, when it will see the string dot begin, then it must be contain the character of w, and it will contain the string dot end, then it must be passed of the variable of r. And this set function, and when we use this set function on this sentence wgmjbmr or in our for our string, then it will be contain the then it will show the set as each split the each character from this. It will for this string library, this set library function, and split this each character at this way. And after that, using this set library, it can automatically remove the repetitive value. So it must contain with the unique characters only, and then and add it it arranges itself as a ascending order. So we can see that this set library function has two characteristics, and it must contain the unique value, and also it arrange this itself as a ascending order. So as there has a unique value and content, the content in each character and content and each character's values. Now we will check this each unique characters, and it here letters contain and the number of here none letters contain the whole sentence without repetitive value. Now we'll check the letter size as they have contains with the unique value. So we must check the size. If the size is even number, then the output must be checked with him, and if the size is the odd number, then ignore him. So we can see then the output on a console sections. Now we will submit our code. The submission must be language in C++. So we must update the language system. So, so there has been accepted all this testing position. Thank you.